We're going to do a quick discussion here of how to hide your course roster in Schoology from your students so they won't be able to see who else attends your course. Step one, we're going to log in. I'm going to switch away from my son here and onto my account. I'm going to use my K5 homeroom class as a test example here. Alrighty, so from your course options window, go ahead and pull down the edit privacy/course settings. It's going to take you to this screen here. Under the roster row, go ahead and choose no one so that no one will be able to see your roster for this class. Save those changes, and that'll be effective immediately, but let me show you what it looks like from the student side now. I'm going to go ahead and log out. It's going to log me back in. That's okay. I'm going to sign in as a test student here. Student is a member of that course, so if we take a look at what they can see now, they no longer have the class roster on the left-hand side of the screen. Now they will be able to see any student names, for example, for comments and things like that, so keep that in mind. That's all. Have a good day.